What is the unemployment benefits appeal process? Imagine losing your job and then facing a denial of your unemployment benefits. It can feel frustrating, but there is a way to challenge that decision. That's where the appeal process comes in. When someone applies for unemployment benefits, the state agency reviews their claim. If they decide to deny or reduce benefits, the claimant or even the employer can disagree. This disagreement starts the appeal process. The first step is to file a written appeal. Usually, you have between 20 and 30 days from the date the notice was mailed to do this. Your appeal must include your name, address, social security number, and a clear reason why you think the decision was wrong. You also need to sign the appeal. If you miss the deadline, you might need to explain why it was late. After you file, the agency will acknowledge receipt and schedule a hearing. This hearing is like a formal conversation where both sides can present evidence, call witnesses, and answer questions. It's less formal than a court trial but still follows rules to keep things fair. During the hearing, you or your representative can explain why you believe you should get benefits. The hearing officer listens to both sides and reviews the evidence before making a decision. They will then send a written ruling. If you disagree with that decision, you can appeal again. Usually, the next step is to ask the State Unemployment Insurance Appeal Board to review the case. This must also be done within a set time frame, often 20 days. You will need to submit a written statement explaining why you think the hearing decision was wrong. This might involve legal errors or procedural mistakes. Sometimes, if you still disagree, you can take your case to a higher court, like the Appellate Division of the State Supreme Court. But these courts only look at whether the law was applied correctly, not re-examining facts. Throughout this process, it's important to keep filing your weekly benefit claims. Doing this keeps your eligibility active while your case is being reviewed. If the employer wins the appeal, you might have to repay benefits you already received. This appeal process is a safeguard to make sure benefits are awarded fairly. It helps workers who believe they were wrongly denied benefits after losing their jobs. It also ensures that benefits are only given when the law supports it. So, if you ever face a denial, remember you have options to challenge it through this structured process.